says our hero must survive, navigate the maze.
Move right.
There we go. It says your hero must survive, navigate the maze, no code problems, and under 7 statements. So, looks like we need to get through the maze, obviously. So,
move right. Move down. Move right. Move down. Move right. I can't get there.
no, you can't.
Move down.
So let's see. Looks like we move right. Move down.
Read the sample code to understand how loops work.
Alright. We're gonna move right 2 times. Move up. Move right. Okay. Yeah. So we're going right and down and right 2 times and up. Then right, then down, then right 2 times and up. So it looks like we got this in 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of code. Let's go.
Move right. Move right. Move down. Move right. Move up. Move right. Move down. Move right. Move up.
Oh, this is a long maze.
Move down.
But the
Move
only
right.
reason why the while loop works is
Move
because the
up.
maze is pretty much the same.
Move
It's right, down, right,
Move
up,
down.
right, down, right, up. Otherwise, like if there was anything else in this maze, you wouldn't be able to run the while statement because it will just throw the maze off. So that's cool. Got that one done.